नमस्ते, आदाब और सत श्री अकाल मेरे सभी दोस्तों और मित्रजनों को। As we all know that the World Environment Day is celebrated to thank our Mother Earth every year on this day. Mother Earth, the word itself means alive. It has always been kind to us, shared all her natural resources with us. साथ ही साथ सभी प्रकार के जीवों को भी बेहद प्यार से पाला by being calm and generous. मगर हमने जो किया अपने पर्यावरण को लेकर, क्या वो सही था? We just used our mother nature for our own benefits by utilizing and damaging everything provided to us. And it is us who never did anything in return by not repairing and restoring it. और साथ ही साथ हमने खुदगर्जी में आके कई सारे पेड़ों और जंगलों को भी काट के उसे एक कंक्रीट जंगलों में बदल दिया। क्या हमने सही किया? We have polluted air, soil, water in a massive amount and destructed every single piece of its beauty too. यहाँ तक कि हमने उस ओजोन लेयर तक को भी नुकसान पहुंचाया which was protecting us from the harmful UV rays coming from the sun. मगर अब वक्त बदल गया. Now, as the time has changed, now as a mother nature is getting healed during this pandemic and all her natural resources are being repaired automatically. Because we all are trapped inside our homes and all the other living beings are freely and happily living outside, which is their homes, which is our environment. ये सच है that we all living beings are totally dependent upon the environment through food, water, air, land, etc. So it is our job to protect and nourish our mother nature. If there is no environment, then there is no life. जिस तरह कई जानवर, पक्षी और कुछ पौधे विलुप्त हो रहे हैं, one day we all will vanish the same way, and that time is not too far. So I oath to protect my environment by planting more and more trees around my surroundings, and especially the areas where there are less plants and trees, but not wasting a single drop of water by using as less fuel as I could to reduce the air pollution, by switching off all the lights and fans when not in use to save the electricity. I will keep my surroundings clean by not throwing garbages. I oath to provide food and shelter to the animals and birds during the natural calamity and will never harm any of them. Because it is our job, duty and responsibility to protect the mother nature, as we are the one behind the cause and destruction. मेरी आप सभी से एक ही दरखास्त, एक गुजारिश है. I request all of you to be kind and generous enough to be more of human and less of demon, and repay our mother nature by protecting, repairing and restoring the harm we have caused to it by using the 3 methods of reuse, reduce and recycle. Because if there is no earth, there is no life. The soil wouldn't fertile, the water wouldn't be clean enough for us to drink, and thus the air wouldn't be carrying enough oxygen for us to survive. Thank you.